Hey guys, this is Zeke the Defender, and I'm going to be showing you a couple new features added to AGF. First one is cutscenes, and the second one is the ability to add your own sound and choose the music playlist. So I'll start with the music because that's going to be available for everybody. As you can see, this will be added to your drop down here. So music. These ones are the default ones, they're included. And you can add some music. So these ones will automatically be here. And you can also, this window here will include all your audio that you've got loaded. You can either import your own audio here. Otherwise, if you've got premium, you can make your own asset packs. Which I've made one here. So you'll find them here. There's an extra drop down now. So I could click that. And it'll open up the file browser. And when you're loading audio this way, it will only be able to be a WAV or an OGG. So I've got one here on my desktop, just some fire. So I'm just going to load that for future use. As you can see, some of them have waveforms. The default ones usually seem to just go blank. I'll try to see if I can fix that in the future. So you can press play, and you can test and see how it looks or sounds. You might recognize these from the platformer or the FPS players. They're the music that has been there already. If you've got premium, you can make your own asset packs. I've included this in the asset packager, so you can have these for free, use them however you want. Otherwise, it's the same as creating other asset packs. Just right-click, build, go to audio, or go up here, build, and go to audio. So now I'll show you what you can do with that. I've added the ability, or these collider triggers here. That's the blue one. So I'm going to select those and load my audio asset pack. There's some wind. Oops. Okay. Select those once more. And there's the trigger audio here. So I'll click that and wind. So now if you walk through this, it will play the wind audio. Okay, so, and I'll show you that later. Next, and also, this is for non-premium users as well. There's the message locator. You can now do conversation trees. So say, you'll start with 0 here. Hello. This will be the title on the top of the message window. Hi, how are you? And then you can add replies. So, and so I'm going to add a new message. And this will be the target that it goes to. So say, if I say fine thanks, the NPC will go to number 1 NPC. This will change, you can see up there. And this will be what he says next. Good. back to 1. Okay, thanks. We'll go to 2. So alright. First he'll say, hi, how are you? Fine, thanks. We'll go to 1 NPC. Leave me alone. We'll just end the dialogue. He'll tell you there's a floor. Okay, thanks. That goes to 2 NPC. And then he'll tell you, careful. What's up ahead again? That goes back to 1. And then you can say thanks to end the dialogue. Alright, so before I start, I'll show you, this is a premium version, or premium only cutscenes. So I've got one set up right here. Pretty much you got your positions and rotations of the camera. The delay before the camera actually starts moving. So I'll set that to 1. And then your second position of the camera, so the camera will move from here to as many as you want. And then how long it takes to move there, and then delay till the next one. And then you can press test cutscene. And then it'll show you how that works. That'll work inside the players. So I'm going to add a second one. And I'll use my camera location. Using the camera location is a lot easier than trying to figure out, entering these manually, but you can change those. And I'll add a transition here. Use my camera location. Camera location. And then a final one back over here. So now I can test it. Alright, so something was wrong there. So I'm going to take a look at this. This is going to be kind of common because sometimes the camera will want to move certain ways. So that's my Y rotation. I can see that it went backwards. So I'm going to change this instead of 304, which goes up to 360. I'm just going to do negative 56. That way it'll decide to change or rotate the other way instead of the way it did. Let's see if that works. And cool, it worked. So yeah, if it ever rotates the wrong way, just minus 360 from it, and that should fix your problem. So I'm going to go into the story editor here, and I'm going to make that let's see, my intro cutscene. And I'm going to set, okay, conversation focus is my triggered cutscene there. The wind is my triggered audio, so let's see if this works. Oops. Oh, yeah. No. Wrong button. Alright, so the intro cutscene seems to have worked. The triggers cutscene seems to have worked. Alright, NPC, how are you? Fine, thanks. Up ahead is an invisible floor. Okay, thanks. Be careful. What's up ahead again? Up ahead is an invisible floor. Okay, thanks. Thank you. He's very polite. There's some wind. And there you go. And oh, perhaps I should have kept that open. I'll show you it in action in the player, and I'll leave you to it. As soon as my computer stops being slow. Alright, well, I'm going to pause and so you don't... Alright, well... There it goes. Music. Oh, that's weird. Okay, colliders are not meant to be stand on an FPS player. I will fix that, but I will also be releasing this right away. So, alright, I hope that helped you, and enjoy it.